After bleaching reveals the fabric's natural brightness, the journey continues into a stage that defines strength, beauty, and performance. Mercerizing and chemical pretreatments. This is where cotton is not only clean, but enhanced at a molecular level. The fabric is first guided into pre-treatment baths designed to stabilize it before mercerizing begins. Wetting agents ensure full penetration, while carefully balanced chemicals remove any remaining impurities and prepare the fiber surface for transformation. Every step is controlled because uniform preparation is essential for consistent results. Next comes mercerizing, one of the most powerful enhancements in cotton processing. The fabric is passed through a concentrated solution of caustic soda under carefully controlled tension. At this moment, the cotton fibers swell, their twisted structure opening and realigning. As this happens, the fiber surface becomes smoother, rounder, and more reflective. This microscopic change creates dramatic visible results. The fabric gains a natural silk-like luster. Strength increases. Dimensional stability improves. Most importantly, the fabric's ability to absorb dyes rises significantly, ensuring deeper shades, richer colors, and superior color fastness in later stages. Throughout the mercerizing range, tension is maintained with absolute precision. This prevents shrinkage and locks in the enhanced fiber structure. Immediately after treatment, the fabric is thoroughly washed and neutralized, safely removing excess chemicals while preserving the newly gained properties. Additional chemical pretreatments may follow depending on the fabric's final purpose. Enzymes may be applied to smooth the surface, softeners to improve hand feel, or stabilizers to control shrinkage and spirality.